Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to start the another topic from this chapter, alcohol, phenol, and ether. And the topic is nomenclature. Topic is nomenclature. Nomenclature means how can we give the names to these compounds. How can we give the names to these compounds. Name to these compounds. How can we give the names to these compounds? First, we see that in case of alcohols, what we have. We know that what are the alcohols? Generally, the alkyl group is attached with the OH group. They are considered as the alcohols or derivatives of common name alkyl group adding the word alcohol, like CH3OH. Commonly, if the formula is CH3OH, this is the hydroxy derivative of the methane. We know that CH4 is methane, and when the one hydrogen get replaced by this OH group, this converts into the methyl group. So the compound which we are getting is methyl alcohol. That is considered as methyl alcohol is the compound given in the OH group of the alcohol. Now, according to the IUPAC system, the names of alcohols is derived from the name of the alkane from which the alcohol is substituted. This name is derived. Alkane is methane, and from this methane, this E is replaced by all suffix. So that is considered as methanol. So this is the reason how the names of these compounds are produced. Common and IUPAC names of some alcohols. Now we have a table format in which the common names and some IUPAC names of some alcohols are given. So just see what is given in this compound. After this, common name and IUPAC name. Common name and IUPAC name. Common name and IUPAC name. Compound, common name and IUPAC name. First, we have CH3OH. Common name methyl alcohol. Common name methyl alcohol. And IUPAC name is methanol. IUPAC name is methanol. Another thing which we have, if 3 carbon atoms are present there, CH2, CH2, OH. In this 3 carbon atom chain, the common name is N-propyl alcohol. That is N-propyl alcohol. It is known as N-propyl alcohol. And propane 1 IUPAC name of this propane 1-ol. Another thing which we have CS3 CH CS3OH. In this hydroxy group is present on the second carbon, so isopropyl alcohol, and IUPAC name of this compound is propane 2-ol. IUPAC name of this compound is propane 2-ol. Another, if we have the 4 carbon atoms are there, CS3 CH2 CH2OH, 4 carbon atoms are there, and the radical which is produced is N-butyl alcohol. Normal chain is present here, and that is N-butyl alcohol. That is N-butyl alcohol, butane 1-ol. Butane 1-ol. That is butane 1-ol. Another thing which we have CS3 CHOH, CS3 CHOH, CH2 CS3. In this particular compound, that is secondary butyl alcohol. That is secondary butyl alcohol. That is secondary butyl alcohol, and IUPAC name of this butane 2-ol. Butane 2-ol. That is the IUPAC name of this. In some other compounds where the different side chains are present, like this CS3 CH CS3 CH2OH, iso group is present there, and that is isobutyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol is present there, and 2-methyl propane 1-ol. 2-methyl propane 2-ol are the compound IUPAC name of this particular compound. In another things, if the compound is present in such a manner, CH3 such kind of compound is present, that is a tertiary butyl alcohol. Common name tertiary butyl alcohol. Common name is a tertiary butyl alcohol. IUPAC name of this 2-methyl longest side chain is of 3 carbon atoms are there. 2-methyl propane 2-ol. 2-methyl propane 2-ol is the longest chain present in the compound. In another thing, what we have, 3 carbon atom chain is present there, CH2 CH CH2OH OH. If such compound is there, that is glycerol. Common name of this compound is glycerol. Common name, and IUPAC name. Three hydroxy groups are present there. Propane 1,2,3 triol. Propane 1,2,3 triol is the IUPAC name of compound present in that particular compound which we have. So this is the about the general nomenclature of these compounds included in the alcohols. Like the alcohols, other compounds have their classification. we have more examples related to the phenols, more examples related to the ethers in our next video. So thank you very much for this. Okay, thanks.